Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Rajesh Concepts. Today we are exploring two key vision defects, namely myopia and hypermetropia. In a healthy eye, light from objects at all distances is focused directly on the retina, forming a clear image. When it comes to myopia, a person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant objects. Here, the image forms in front of the retina. The other causes for myopia: excessive curvature of the lens, elongation of the eyeball. That means the size of the lens and eyeball increases. And for correction, myopia is corrected by using a concave lens. And now, when it comes to hypermetropia, a person with hypermetropia can see distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects. So it is purely opposite to the myopia. And here, the image forms behind the retina. And other causes, focal length of the eye lens is too long, eyeball is too small. And here eye lens is too long, too small. Whereas in the myopia, excessive curvature and elongation. So these are the main causes which you have to remember. And correction, hypermetropia is corrected by using a convex lens. This is the simple ray diagram for myopia. Here the image forms in front of the retina. So now we are putting biconcave lens and image forms at retina exactly. Once again, look the animation. So image forms in front of the retina, and now by correcting it forms on the exactly at retina. This is the simple ray diagram for hypermetropia. You can see the image forms behind the retina, and now by using a convex lens, image forms on the retina exactly. Once again, look here, image forms behind the retina, and if you use the convex lens, exactly it forms on the retina.